Previously we discussed using the overall image of animals to create basic character origins. Now we will learn characters from animal body parts. First, learn yu, feather. Yu resembles two long bird feathers. Its original meaning is bird feathers, also meaning bird wings. Characters it forms relate to feathers, birds, flight. First, learn xiang, soar. Xiang is a phonetic-semantic compound. Yu indicates flight. Yang indicates sound. It means to circle in flight, gliding with still wings. Xiang describes this circling flight. Next, learn xi, learn practice. Today's xi is half of yu. You might find it strange, does learning relate to feathers? Yes, xi derives from yu. In traditional form, the top is yu. Xi has yu on top, representing wings, and ri below, representing sun. After sunrise, birds start flying. It depicts fledglings practicing flight. Today's form uses only half of yu. Written as we see it now. Xi means birds repeatedly practicing flight. Extended to mean practice. With more practice, one becomes more familiar. Extended to mean familiar, habitual. Xishui means familiar with water. Xibing means skilled in military command. Fan, flip is also a compound character. Left part fan indicates sound. Right yu indicates flight. Fan originally meant bird flying. Extended to flip, turn over. Flipping means changing. Hence the phrase, 幡然悔悟. Meaning quickly correct mistakes, repent, and realize. Finally, learn weng, old man. 老翁的翁. Top is gong. Bottom is yu. Gong indicates sound. Yu indicates feathers. It meant the bird's neck, the dense neck feathers. This meaning is rarely used. Later it generally represents the meaning of gong, meaning father or male elder. E.g., 老翁, 社翁. This is a loan meaning, more common than its original meaning.